pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
Finnish vegetable soup. For this you will need 500 grams of potatoes, preferably new, 3 carrots, 100 grams of cauliflower florets, 50 grams frozen peas, 100 grams of frozen sliced green beans, 850 ml of vegetable stock, salt and black pepper, 25 grams of margarine or butter, 25 grams of plain all-purpose flour, 1 large egg yolk, 4 tablespoons of double cream, 1/4 teaspoon of sweet paprika, and 50 grams of cheddar or Cheshire grated to serve. With the potatoes, the carrots, the peas, beans, and cauliflower into a large pan and cover with the stock. Season well with the salt and pepper. And then bring to the boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat and simmer uncovered for 10 minutes or until the vegetables are soft. Remove the pan from the heat and strain the stock into a bowl. Melt the margarine gently in the rinsed out pan. Then stir in the flour. Sprinkle the flour, stir it in. Cook on a low heat for 1 or 2 minutes until it turns straw coloured. Remove from the heat and gradually stir in the stock. That'll be the fun. Return to the heat and simmer until the stock is thick and smooth. Whisk the egg yolk into the cream. With the paprika. Gradually whisk 4 tablespoons of the hot thickened stock into the egg cream mix. Then slowly stir the mixture back into the pan. Return the reserved vegetables back to the pan. Heat through, but do not allow to boil, otherwise it may curdle. And now for the taste test. Some cheese on. Put some cheese. That's not bad. Not as good as my other soup. I'll give it a 16 out of 20 on the scrumptious scale.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.